woman, una know no what would hear that one. If you want to marry my country woman, prepare. You want to prepare people. Nangafere is there prepare. You want to marry Bakwere woman, prepare. You want to prepare. Timana Musa for Bakwere woman. Mongo Chobi for Basa woman. Bobolo. Myondo for Douala woman. Bobolo for Yaoundé woman. Uga kwata dem. Madame kwata dem. Unadiya we. Una odena for Nakturi. The first story they will go naka for na today. Na palava kick. Two njaka them. They don't kick buru. One kick buru. The other one kick buru. No matter for the same family and then I know their age. So small girl picking. Small njaka for 14 years. That means they don't turn only 14 calendar. And you don't go for house for play with mommy the keep muru. They picking want to say me mommy died. And you don't tour a mommy a 2.3 million. When they tell some people they say when I begin keep money for bank, they know the year. That remedy don't keep money na fontang. A money de fontang, it don't keep a height and fine, but it picking, you know they play with the muru day. What I don't go be done as some small boy where the boy don't tell you say do so, we go Canada, we go Europe, we go do it you. Now so they picking it was that 2.3 million. A chapum. As I tell na so te rich na so. They never see the picking. They mommy they cry. They cry, send me the hell before see picking. They picking, never see them. Now, some of we, papa and mommy them, would be the cause for some of the problem the way we'll be faced with. That means say, if you fail for educate picking from 0 to 5 years, any other thing where you put up for head, it go trump for enter. So, may we begin take care for picking them when they small. Now, when they small, when they inculcate them, they will not enter the talk. When they put all the necessary values and what we want them. We will educate them in the way so they go they grow up with the way we don't educate them. But now, the person where don't manipulate this small picking, 14 years jaka, he don't thief 2.3 million for him. Even as some man picking don't take this small girl, they go with them with that money. Now just say the mommy don't launch, you don't send alert, SOS, service on sales. So when you give that information them, that's so the thing they come. Una take care of. If una get buru, una put her for bank. Una put her for bank. I mean say bank. I not talk that kind of because of other one go to manguru get the financial houses in the way they fit to una money too. It be very important. If that maybe don't put that money for bank, that is small get picking for 40 years. You know for kick that money. Countryman, countrywoman. We come for here for Douala, we cross Yaoundé, now with that, we enter for Garoua. As we enter Garoua, what happened for day? Another palava Kingburu. The one, na some small perika for 50 years. 50 years perika, a Kingburu for a papa, that means na repair, that will tell na repair mburu kick. The one kick na repair money, repair mburu 1.5 million. Peripheral, don't ask if you say which I chop, I don't give you. So take a rich now. Repeno no play way the peripheral ide. Sometimes a soba no can fui. Tell you say if you get 1.5 million, we will make you go Canada. You get 1.5 million, we will make you go Abu Baba. Peripheral don't mean by saying a thing, it don't enter day. Oh, it didn't for ballet, we didn't for what you on for Johnny for photo. Who know? So te rich now. Reperify Njaka, Innovasi Njaka, countryman, a countrywoman. Njaka is nowhere to be found. Now, grammar where I put her for that place, countryman, a countrywoman. Countryman, countrywoman, for that side for Colbison, for Yaoundé. So small girl picking the way, you too, they know the CE. Small Njaka for Colbison, his name na Esadidi Yene Mirel Josue. If you go school for that school where they call her, that college where they call her, say, lycée classique for Colbison. Now government college for that side for Colbison. They mami they define they don't put number. Since now our customer them, we will send it, we will read this number. 67705 5804. 651 66 54 53. Now the numbers in that. If you wanna see Esadidi, Yene, Mireille, countryman, countrywoman, una call that number them. The people they go come directly so that they can take that picking. They know they see one wait to happen or Nadine young boy they don't take and go hide them on assist on the 11th. On the 11th of April, when that small jackasso he don't lost, they define they don't see countryman, countrywoman. Now that SOS that will be one launch arm so that one know say till they happen way you know correct. Countryman, countrywoman, an incident happened yesterday for that side for Fumban. For that side for Fumban, what happened? Countryman, countrywoman. Now that baobab, some baby stick, it fall. That stick, it fall for on top, so pharmacien, that means a woman where they take care for pharmacy, for some medical center for that side, for Kokwep, for Malum, now for Fumban, where the thing take place. Stick 4 on top that medical center, and then who might be the sage medicine them. That means say Jabu them for that medical center, Ikwara. The thing happened now about 15 hours ago. That means say for night for the Monday night breaking to Tuesday morning. Where did it happen for that side for Kukwet Malum for town for Fumban. So they might be the same Jabu them. It is same medicine for that Fumban medical clinic where they call us so. They reme Edon Kwara countryman countrywoman. Countryman, countrywoman. Na bad thing that will happen for that side. Another information what they give and say they tell we man picking the na woman the any day it don't begin go na some kind of way they go some way not correct. So woman where they call it say Chanel. Where he must have been on nari, even an artist with the sing Mutumbo. He must have been nari very badly. He don't come out, he talk about woman, they maybe they no green, me they begin at them. If they want to argue, better maybe you come out for that kind of toxic relation. Now so Chanel, he blow that Tory, countryman, countrywoman. Now that countryman, countrywoman, another Tory, he did. Stephanie Toom, una know no? Yes, we can talk that one for special way. Stephanie Toom day for news today. Stephanie Toom, another video director with that film, a film producer instead, film producer. Stephanie Toom, he move new film then. We will talk about Stephanie Toom for some small time. But before one come, we'll talk about Stephanie Toom and then we'll talk about Ndamba because we will talk Ndamba and then we'll talk culture for the PG News. We want say countryman, countrywoman, Mona Yedi one. His name na Clue Gray. It is sing with Magasco. The song it be entitled Toxic.